guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Gary, aka ThePlasticboy. So what's going on? So today's video is going to be super exciting. But before we start, 70% of you guys watch my damn video, but you guys don't want to subscribe. You're loving the reviews, you're loving the hauls, and you're loving everything else. So if you want to click that subscribe button and click that bell, it would really help me out. And obviously we can like grow this family, we can become an empire, we can shut things down. But anyway, today's video is all going to be about the new Huda Beauty Tantour. Oh my god, so when she released this, I think it was like last week, Huda Beauty is legit like shutting shit down. Like she only just released, where is it, N.Y.M.P.H, this one here, which is this only came out, was it 2 days ago? Then she announced that she was releasing Tantour. Tantour is actually going to be sold on Huda Beauty, Selfridges and Harrods. It's £26 and it says, let me read the description, it's doubling as a contour and bronzer. Tantour is a gorgeous cream to powder formula that grants instant warmth to lackluster complexions. Packed with pigment and blending like a dream, it can be layered to create anything from a subtle glow to a dramatic definition. Hey, cheekbones. So okay, Huda Beauty hasn't released many shades in this, and people were popping up in the shade room because for once the shades were too dark. Does that make sense? Like people were like, oh, there wasn't a shade for light tones, and everyone was like, this girl put a comment in, I'm gonna try and put it in this video. She dragged everyone in the comment section. It was like stunning. So it came in this PR package here. It's so cute. It's like a weight like so let me show you the product. Let me open it. This is such a cute PR package. So you get a brush that looks like this. I think this is to apply and this is to blend. Huda Beauty always comes up with the most cutest brushes, and I love a gel brush moment because it's easy to travel with. And we have, let me just take out one of them for you. It looks like this. It's quite slim. Looks like this. It's really pretty. The deepest shade is actually called Rich, which looks like that. I love how thin it is, and let me just take it out and show you the compartment. It's very slick and thin. I've already swatched it. You can see this shade is so deep. I was actually shook because when I seen the shades on the shade room, I was a bit like, is that gonna be dark enough for me, or is it just gonna look like a foundation cream? But the shades look really nice, but I'm not sure of the tone if I would use it as a bronzer. I think of it more as like a contour cream because it doesn't have a red undertone, but who knows, when I try it on I might be a bit shook. I'm gonna swatch all the shades for you and I'll show you them in a sec, but I'm so excited to try these. I've already done my base makeup, so I'm literally just gonna apply these on and then finish off my base, but I really want to see what these look like on top of my foundation. I've also applied the Huda Beauty foundation on just to see how it like wears on top of that, because a lot of you guys might have that, and I wear the shade Mocha, but if you want to like reference me as a shade. So let's get into this. Okay, so these are the shades here. So from the top one we have fair, then we have light, then we have medium. They're kind of like they're pigmented, but they're like, you can build them up obviously. So that's medium. Then we have tan, and then we have rich. So rich is the last one, which is really dark. I definitely could wear tan rich. Medium is too close to my skin tone, looks like a foundation, but the two first ones, they are quite dark, but I reckon you could mix it with your foundation. But I could definitely wear tan and rich. I think I might just use rich for the purpose of this video because I like more of like an extreme finish, and I'm going out tonight, so that would work well. So I'm definitely loving the consistency. They're very creamy, and apparently they set to more of a powder finish. I'm gonna use her brush so you guys can see the true tea. Okay, so guys, I literally just done this side and I really like the finish of it. When it goes on, it reminds me of like a cream to powder. It does set. It just kind of looks like I put a powder on, which is really weird. I'm trying to think if I like the brush on that. I feel like this bit's quite stiff, which does blend out quite a lot. But if you haven't set your foundation, I feel like it could move your foundation around, but it looks like a really nice contour. I really like the shade of the deeper one. I think this one I would probably like it the most. I haven't tried the other one, but I just love the deepest. I'm always the deepest for like contour in most things, but I could use the shade up, but I like the way this has like really set. It's so nice. So let me show you what I do. So I'm literally just gonna put some here. Like that. and then we just legit blend it out. It's blending out really, really nicely. I think with these, because they're quite sheer as well, you can blend them out really quickly, but imagine, I'll be scared. I'm just thinking, if you let it set for like a few minutes, would you still be able to blend it out? But it's blending out really nicely. Huda always kills it with formula. Like, you cannot deny that, because this just looks so stunning. I'm just shook. I'm pressing it in as well as, cause I try not to swipe, because I find that when I swipe, sometimes it can just take away like a bit of my foundation, but it doesn't seem to be doing that. It's nice. Oh my god. No, this is stunning. And like, I feel like Huda's done something, because name me one brand that does a cream bronzer for deeper skin tones. I know Chanel do one, which is like the famous Swell, the tan, however you say it. But this does kind of remind me of just like a cream contour though. But it is giving my face warmth, that's the thing. So I don't know, I like the formula of it. It's very different, it's very unique. It's a unique idea, and I like the way the deep shade's very, very dark, but I'm not sure how this would look on like N.Y.M.P.H or someone of a deeper complexion, because it's dark. Obviously it's dark on me, it's very, very dark, but I'd love to see, do you know what I mean? But it's so pretty. Okay, so guys, I've decided to use the tan color on my nose as a contour, because I feel like rich, maybe even, oh my god, even tan is a bit dark, which I live for. I just live. Huda, you are coming through, honestly. Let me put a bit on my nose. I'm gonna just go there like that. I don't want to go too intense. Ooh. I like it because it's not too pigmented, because you know sometimes with these dark kind of cream bronzers or contour colors, you'll be putting on one swipe and it's like, oh. Check it out, I actually did a meme to that the other day. It was so funny, and that would be the perfect meme, you know, when you put like too much foundation on and you try and blend, you're like, oh, and oh my god. But no, this color's nice. This color's actually really dark as well. I could use both. Okay, so guys, I'm actually loving the way this looks. It's setting like a true powder. It's crazy. It feels like I've like applied a powder contour. It's setting, and it doesn't look too powdery either. You could obviously set this with a powder, but you really don't need to. I'm gonna finish up the rest of my makeup, because I feel like I know the verdict of this product anyway. So I'll come back and let you guys see how it's like rested and like settled, because this looks insane. The formula is so banging, but I'll be back in a mo. Okay. So hey guys, this is the finished look. Do you guys love it? I'm loving the bronzer. I just love it. I added some highlight. I put a bit of the bronzer on the eye, but I set it with a Fenty bronzer. The highlight I've got on is Natasha Denona, and I've got on the Huda Power Bullet Lipstick in Joyride. I'm just living for this PR package. It is so cute. My verdict on these are that I really, really like them. I'm not just saying it because people are like, oh my god, you just do it for the Huda repost, whatever. Huda has actually come up with something that's so like innovative. Is that the word? Innovative. And it's just, I don't know, it's just a good idea. Like, the darker shades are actually, there's actually more darker shades than lighter shades, which is really, really crazy. And I can actually use 2 shades in this Tantour. I feel like it's really nice. I didn't expect it to give my face as much warmth as it has, and it really has done that. And I can use 2 shades. I'm definitely gonna bring this around with me on holiday. I really like the formula. You don't have to set it, which is mad to me, because I thought I'd have to set it. I thought it'd be very greasy and slippery like a contour stick, but it's nothing of the sort. I really, really like it. I'll definitely say if you are near like a Harrods or a Selfridges, definitely try and go into store when you can, but I feel like the selection is quite easy. You kind of know which one you are. The only reason I would say it'd be quite hard is if you're on the lighter scale of the skin tone spectrum, but for deeper skin tones, the rich and the tan. But if you are like me, like kind of my color, I'd probably go for rich, just because you can go like dark and you can like shoot out to be more light. I really, really like it. And for the price point, it is a bit thin, but you just won't finish a product like that. You know what I mean? Like, it's so, so nice. I actually live for it. Let me guys know what you think in the comments down below, and if you are feeling this look. This is kind of my everyday kind of makeup look. It's nothing special. It's nothing to slap your mom about. But thank you for watching this video, and I shall see you in my next one. And I love you guys so much. Thank you for always supporting me, and have a good week. Bye.